So for those of you that dared me to dress up like a unicorn, I have done it. Here we are. Thank you so much for watching, and I was actually really happy to hear that enough people watched that I got told, hey, when do we actually get to see you dress up like a unicorn? I have a special guest here today. This is my niece, Miss Londyn, and we're going to talk about something educational as well, okay? And Londyn's going to help us. So today we're going to talk about what a unicorn is in business, and I've lost my horn and I feel like I'm rocking it, so I need it back. A unicorn in business is a startup that is worth and it is valuated at over $1 billion, and that is a lot of money, especially when you're a brand new startup. What is a startup? A startup is a business in the beginning stages of launching, okay? How do they get valued at over $1 billion? Typically, it's the cost of replacing that business model or several other ways of valuation. There actually are more than one ways of valuating a business, not just on revenue, okay? So a lot of these crowdfunders, angel investors, venture capitalists will help start this business. They'll have a really unique idea and they will launch, and you get this $1 billion idea that ends up being called a unicorn because, like me and like Miss Londyn, it is extremely unique, okay? Some of our favorite unicorns you've heard of, and they may even help you today. Airbnb, Uber, Instacart, and our personal favorite, Odoo ERP, which we work with and we're super excited about. If you like this video, please make sure to like. If you like the kind of content we have on the Certum Solutions channel, please subscribe to our channel and you will be alerted of new content. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. There you go. Say hi to Miss Londyn. And we will see you next time.